Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Design with TCD. My name is Tamoi and I am happy that you are here. Please like, share and subscribe. So today I am really excited because we are going to be drafting the pattern for the Sapphina bridal gown, which is an original design. And we will be working on the entire pattern for this dress, from the bodice to the sleeves to the skirt, everything. I do hope that you stay until the end of the video. Enjoy! The following are the tools and materials that I usually use to draft patterns, and they might not be the same for you, so just use what you are comfortable with. Note that you do not have to use the measurements that are listed here. You can substitute them for your measurements, your client's body measurements, or whatever measurements that you would want to make the dress in. So one of the benefits of drafting a block pattern, a bodice block, a skirt block, or a sleeve block is that you can always adapt to them to create different designs. So after I create this bodice block front and back, I will not cut out the pieces from this pattern. I will trace them on separate pattern paper so I can use the block for another design or another time. And I know there are those persons out there, DIYers and those designers that cut from scratch. I am not one of those. I feel safer, I feel more confident when I draft my patterns. I will spend hours drafting a pattern just for it to be right, just for it to fit my client well, and I'll be satisfied at the end of the day. And more than likely, I won't have to recut anything. I won't have to remake anything. I do minimal adjustments when I work everything out on my pattern. Sometimes after I create my patterns, I would create a toile if I have time. Sometimes I have a short time frame to create the design, and sometimes I have a longer time frame. So when I do have a longer time frame, I will test fit my pattern. In this case, I will. In the next video or sometime in the future, I will test fit this pattern to ensure that everything is fitting how it's supposed to fit and looking how it's supposed to look, and I will adjust accordingly. I know that we have put a lot of work into creating this pattern. However, all patterns are subject to adjustment, right, for true fit. So everyone shapes differently, and we know that even when we order things online, even though they are based on a specific body measurement or a set of universal measurement, they are subject to adjustments when you put it on or when I put it on, because all of our bodies are different. So don't feel discouraged when you have to test fit or when you have to alter something, because it helps you to get better at your craft. It helps you to draft better, because you know that, okay, next time I will do this instead of that, etc. And as I said earlier, it is an original design. So I've never ever made this dress before. I'm not making it for anyone specific, but I really wanted to design this dress, or I made some designs prior to making this video, and I just wanted to test them out and to see how they look in actuality, and just to ensure that I'm growing and I'm not staying stagnant, because I have a thing for being scared sometimes, and this is one of the ways that I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone by creating videos on YouTube and stuff, by speaking out in the video, because I don't necessarily like to talk a lot. So kudos to me. So by subscribing, by sharing, by liking, by commenting, you are helping me to step out of my comfort zone to help you become a better pattern drafter, become a better sewist, become a better creativist in general, because we are creativists, yes. So I hope that you do enjoy. I pray that this video is informative, that is straightforward, that is not confusing. And if there is anything that you find confusing, you can just comment and I will try my best to explain further in other videos. And I am really feeling myself in this video because I really enjoy drafting patterns, knowing that I can create something from scratch and I don't have to freehand cut and I don't have to depend on other persons to make patterns for me. And the fact that I want to teach, this is an avenue where I can showcase, to share what I have learned over the years, what I've learned from school, etc., and what I've learned just by doing it, because some things are practical. Some persons are practical learners, some persons are visual learners, and I am a practical learner. I have to do it to get it sometimes. So whenever I draft a pattern, I can know, okay, Tamoi, don't do this next time, or you can do this another way. And it does not stop there. You cannot stop learning, right? So there's a lot of other YouTube videos out there that I've learned from, and I just create my own style that is working for me in this stage of my career. So I really hope that it is actually informative and I'm not wasting my time posting on here. But I am really excited to show you guys what I can do and to learn from you as well, and for us to just learn together as TCD family. And for those who do not know, TCD stands for Tamoi's Classiq Design. That is my branding name. And design, DZYN, is from the last part of my branding name, and designed with TCD, right? Yes, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your subscriptions. I don't know how many persons will watch at this point, but I thank you. Who knows, maybe one day I might bust her like Beige Kite, as Jamaicans would say. cuff and color patterns are very straightforward, so I did not put a lot of instructions here, written instructions. So you just follow what I'm doing basically, and you will get your cuff and color patterns. They are also subject to adjustments and change where necessary. And I know that this video is sort of long, however, you can watch it in stages. You can go through all of it and do it part by part. So you can do the front bodies and the back bodies different times. You can do the colors and the sleeve and the band another time, and you can also do the skirt patterns as well, if you understand what I mean, because I know this pattern took me like over 2 hours to draft, and I had to condense everything into less than 20 minutes. I tried my best. So some parts I show the first part of it and I don't show the rest, because I really wanted you to get everything, and I did not want to do this video in parts, because I will be doing the test fit video, and I will be doing the construction process of the garment, God's willing. If you look back on the design of the skirt portion of the dress, you'll see that it's contoured, but it's close fitting at the hips and then it flares off, and it's long. I did not want to have to use so much paper to draft it, so I basically cut it off at the knees. So when I'm cutting the actual garment, I will extend it in the direction of the slanted line, right? And then measure it to get my desired length. Basically, I hope you understand what I'm saying. I believe I'm straightforward, but if you do not understand, you can always comment and I will try my best to explain what I mean or what I meant, because this video would have been posted already. You will see that I did the same thing for the back skirt pattern and the godday. On the design, the godday is made from lace, And well, you will see, I have this idea in my head, and I hope that it comes out as how it's inside my. And it is very, 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 very important that you label your patterns, add your straight grain and your place on full grain lines. It's also important to outline the lines so that you can see them clearly, because sometimes things happen and pencil marks get erased and then you don't know where the markings are. And these are my completed pattern pieces. They are all outlined, they are all labeled properly, so I know when I go back to do my test with her, when I go back to do my garment, I know exactly what is what, where what should go where, etc. And this is a reminder of the dress design. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that it was informative, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.